The Galaxy S24 Ultra has become the talk of the town ever since we heard the rumor that the phone could end up coming with a flat display. Now, this does sound like something of a downgrade, but flatter displays are generally preferred by a lot of people, and they are technically better in a way that they don't have any ghost touch issues. You also don't run into color wrapping around the edges, and most importantly, they are a lot more durable and have better compatibility with screen protectors. While it is still unconfirmed, a new render has popped up showing us how Samsung's flagship could end up looking. The render is coming from the IC universe, and it is worth noting that it is far from final because the phone is still not out yet, and more accurate renders will start showing up towards the end of the year. What this render does shows is that the Galaxy S24 Ultra could pack a flat display, and honestly, I love how it looks. Honestly, the Galaxy S24 Ultra looks so much better with a flat screen. The bezels are proportionate, and there is an overall improvement in the finishing and the look of the device. Of course, this is just an early render and we cannot confirm if this is going to be the final design. But if Samsung is selling this, then I'm surely getting my hands on the phone once it launches next year. The one thing that surprises me more is the fact that the Samsung has been using curved displays for as long as we can remember. The base Galaxy S model shipped with the curved displays too. Why the sudden change of the heart and a move towards a flat display? I suppose we will find out more about the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the coming months, but so far it does look like a beautiful device with a flat screen. A recent tip suggested that the new phone is going to have a lowest screen to body ratio. So whatever the South Korean firm is doing, it is at least possible that we are going to see some adjustments to the overall dimensions of the phone, making it easier to handle. What do you think about today's video? What do you think about today's render? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next video. Peace out.